Samsung, India's largest electronics brand, today announced the launch of Galaxy F05. The latest addition to the popular Galaxy F series offers stylish leather pattern design along with a stunning 50-MP dual-camera setup to meet the needs of tech-savvy millennials and aspirational Gen Z consumers. Galaxy F05 has been designed for consumers looking for a stylish smartphone with leather pattern finish and a stunning 50-MP dual camera. Driven to meaningful innovation, this device boasts a massive 5,000 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging, an impressive 6.7-inch HD Plus display, MediaTek Helio G85 processor, and much more. With the device in hand, consumers are set to explore the power of Samsung's innovation with several leading features at an affordable price, taking us one step closer to the pinnacle of customer satisfaction. Designed to mesmerize, Galaxy F05 sports a stylish leather pattern design which exudes premium aesthetics. Galaxy F05 elevates the photography experience with its 50-megapixel dual camera capturing vibrant, detailed photos, even in low-light conditions with aperture f1.8, while the 2-megapixel depth-sensing camera delivers pictures with enhanced clarity. Galaxy F05 has an 8-megapixel front camera that helps capture high-quality selfies. Galaxy F05 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G85 processor for improved performance, faster multitasking, and seamless app navigation. Galaxy F05 also comes with up to 8GB RAM with RAM Plus feature. The unique RAM Plus solution allows users to add virtual RAM as per their requirements. Consumers need not worry about storage space as Galaxy F05 also comes with expandable storage of up to 1 TB. Galaxy F05 sports massive 6.7 inches HD Plus display for immersive viewing experience. The large screen helps tech-savvy Gen Z users to smoothly glide through their social media feeds. Binge watchers can enjoy their favorite content on the go without any stutter. Galaxy F05 packs in 5,000 mAh battery that enables long sessions of browsing, gaming, and binge watching. Galaxy F05 allows users to stay connected, entertained, and productive without interruption. Galaxy F05 supports 25 watts fast charging, giving more power in less time. Galaxy F05 comes with Android 14 out of the box and comes with 2 generations of OS upgrades and 4 years of security updates, making it a future-ready smartphone. For seamless unlocking and privacy, it also supports Face Unlock. Galaxy F05 will be available in 4GB plus 64GB storage variant, expandable up to 1 TB storage. The device comes in a refreshing twilight blue color. Galaxy F05 will go on sale on September 20 with exciting launch offers. Galaxy F05 will be available on Flipkart, Samsung.com, and at select retail stores.